how to make iPhone camera full screen permanently. So if you want to set your iPhone camera to full screen, which is 16:9 aspect ratio permanently, then first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to find the camera section. Once you find your camera, you can tap on it. Under your camera, you will have an option of record, preserve settings, or just preserve settings. You need to tap on preserve settings. And under your preserve settings, make sure your creative controls is turned on. You need to just go and turn it off and then again turn it on. After that, you can go back and open up your camera. Now on your camera here, as you can see that in my case I have 16:9. So you can tap on it and you can select if it is on square, you can go and select 16:9, or if it is on 4:3 or any other options, you can go and select 16:9. And once you've selected that, if you go back and remove your camera application, and then if you again open up your camera, then as you can see that you will have 16:9. So after preserving your settings on your camera, it will make iPhone camera full screen permanently. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.